Hi, I'm Mark Prothero. We're here at Sarasota Lanes in Sarasota, Florida, and we're here to introduce the IN2ITION by Track. This ball will be key for any tournament bowler that needs some variety in their bag, as well as league bowlers that like to bring more than one ball to league play, because this ball will be essential for you to have as the lanes begin to transition. It's very effective in giving you that added benefit in high scoring as the lanes begin to change on you. Taking into account the X-core configuration, I want to give this ball an even controllable arc and also set it up to where I have essential punch in the back end to give me that pin action that I'm looking for. So let's take this ball to the pro shop and get it drilled up, and let's go hit the lanes. Okay, we'll start off at this starting point, aiming out towards second arrow, and see how the ball reacts. Oh, that's got a nice back end. Very controllable arc. Good pin action in the back end. Felt good coming off my hand. Let's see if this is a good point to play this. Oh yeah, nice clean reaction. The delayed cover stock is working pretty nicely. Give me a lot of punch in the pin action. That's what I wanted, so looks like this is a good ball to have. Ooh. Nice lucky break. And by the way, we're not editing these. These are 3 actual shots. So I like the way this ball works. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. It's got a great punch in the back end. I like the way this ball's reacting. The response on it is perfect. Ooh. That's 5 strikes in a row, no editing. This ball is working great. A lot of good pin action. I like what it's doing. The delayed cover stock is giving me a lot of back end punch and the good pin action that I've been wanting to have. So I think this ball's a keeper. So I'll just throw one more and kind of get an idea of how the game will progress. All right, Denis, the lanes are ready for you. Let's get your ball drilled up and see what it does.
All right. Nice and smooth. servo release yet. Very good.